Hello friends, please like, subscribe and share our channel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. The present petition has been filed by Sri D.C. Kapoor, sole proprietor of Messrs. Dixon and Company, with the prayer to direct respondent number 2, Sri O.P. Mittal, the arbitrator, to file the award along with the proceedings, and thereafter to make the award rule of the court. Stop. Para. The work of construction of 104 MIG stop type C dwelling units at Malviya Nagar, New Delhi was awarded to the petitioner by the executive engineer of the Delhi Development Authority, hereinafter referred to as the DDA Wide Agreement number 8/HD1/76-77. Stop. As regards the above said work, certain disputes differences had arisen between the parties, and as per the agreement between the parties, respondent number 2, Sri O.P. Mittal, was appointed as the sole arbitrator by the engineer member DDA Wide letter dated 17/12/1984. Stop. The said arbitrator entered upon the reference and gave his award on 23/9/1989. Stop. Para. After the arbitrator had filed the award along with the proceedings, notice of the filing of the award was accepted by the learned counsel for the petitioner in the court on 20/2/1990. Stop. No objections have been filed on behalf of the petitioner. Stop. Notice of the filing of the award was also issued to respondent number 1 DDA, directing the said respondent to file objections, if any, within the statutory time limit. Stop. In pursuance of the notice served on respondent DDA. Stop. The said respondent filed objections IA 3215/90 under sections 30 and 33 of the Arbitration Act 1940, hereinafter referred to as the Act, raising various objections. Stop. It is mainly contended on behalf of the respondent DDA that the arbitrator has misconducted himself, has ignored the material on record, has misinterpreted the various provisions of the contract between the parties, has overlooked the material on record, has accepted unilateral facts and figures submitted by the petitioner, has erred in disallowing the recoveries for non-submission of fortnightly labor reports and excess material used, and has ordered for the refund of recoveries which are not sustainable. Stop. It is also contended that the arbitrator has not given the reasons on the basis of which he has come to the conclusions arrived at by him while giving his award Stop. It is also stated in the objections that it was not within the jurisdiction of the arbitrator to award future interest as has been awarded in the impugned award. Stop. It has been prayed that the objections filed on behalf of the respondent DDA be accepted and the award dated 23/9/1989 made by the arbitrator Shri O.P. Mittal be set aside. Stop. Para. The objections filed by the respondent DDA are resisted by the petitioner by filing reply to the same. Stop. In the reply filed on behalf of the petitioner, it is stated that the objections are not maintainable. Stop. The same be rejected with costs and the award dated 23/9/1989 given by respondent number 2, the arbitrator, be made rule of the court with costs and interest till realization on the pleadings of the parties. The following issues were framed by order dated 31/7/1990. Stop. Whether the award is liable to be set aside on the objections raised in the objection petitioner. Stop. Thank you for watching.